We're getting all packed up to go to the beach, and I wanted to share with you all the food that we're taking for our 5 to 6 day trip. We're not sure exactly which day we're going to get home, so planning for 6 days with our whole family, so that ends up being a lot of food. So the meals that I brainstormed and got stuff for are here. I am not scheduling meals, like having stuff down for a specific day, except for burritos. I like burritos and nachos, build your own type meal. We'll do those on Saturday because we're having some friends come to the beach with us, and I wanted to have a meal planned for that. But otherwise, I'm just going to have all the stuff for these different meals, and then we can throw together whatever we feel like on whatever day. Not too scheduled, pretty laid back, and then we will go out to eat a couple of times when we're there. So just having the food there and using it as needed. I have some bags of chicken strips and chicken nuggets. I have in the past done my home-breaded, home-frozen chicken strips to take to the beach. Did a big batch of those beforehand, but this year I didn't have it in me to get that done, so I just grabbed some Costco bags of chicken strips and chicken nuggets. Those are ready to go. I got a Costco pack of Annie's mac and cheese, which is something I normally do not buy. So this is a special treat to get mac and cheese. Then I have all the stuff ready for burritos and chips. I have some shredded beef that I will cook up there. I'm bringing my Instant Pot, so I'll do that in the Instant Pot. And I just brought a little thing of chili powder and some spices so that I can throw that all together, but it'll be pretty simple. Then I have some burger patties from Costco that I threw in, and some hot dogs also from Costco, and I have some hot dog buns. I also have some of those sandwich thins. They're like round little sandwich buns that also work for burgers, so that's what we'll use for burgers as well as like sandwiches at lunchtime. And then I've been loving making air fried steaks, which is really easy to do with frozen steaks. Yeah, it's an interesting technique. It doesn't produce like the most incredible tasting steaks. Like if you want a technique that makes the best tasting steaks, there are other things you can do, but it makes good steaks and they're super easy, and you can just take it right out of the freezer and throw it into the air fryer. And it's nice because since they're frozen in the middle, you can allow it to cook long enough to get crispy on the outside without getting overcooked in the middle, which is really good. And then I have frozen potatoes that I prepped the other week, and that's on one of my kitchen day in the life videos if you want to go back and look at that. But those are all prepped and ready to go. And I have like my breakfast ideas. This is kind of just where I brainstormed all the different things that we might have for snacks, lunch, breakfast, and then I went shopping and saw what I found, and then I'm gonna go take you out to where I have all of my food stashed and ready to get packed up and show you everything that I ended up with. Here's my non-perishable stuff that I have stashed away out here in the garage. I'll go through it all fairly quickly. I'll try to at least. There's some non-food items in here. Parchment paper for easy cooking of things, dish soap and hand soaps, and few spices here, salt and Creole seasoning and pepper. Wait, oh, black pepper it is. And I got another black pepper because I forgot I had packed that. And Frank's Red Hot sauce, some hot chocolate mix, more seasonings, chili powder for the tacos. This is a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder for seasoning steaks and burgers and stuff. This is collagen. I've been giving Levi collagen in his drinks that he has to help his skin because he struggles with eczema, so I'm bringing some of that for him. Garbage bags. We have almond milk for cereal, which is a main staple when we're on vacation because we normally don't buy cereal, but the kids want to eat it every single meal when we're on vacation. And we got some instant oatmeal, another thing I don't buy except for on vacation. Big Costco pack of Annie's mac and cheese, special vacation food. I got a couple cans of black beans to make taco night easy. Usually I make black beans in my Instant Pot. Some barbecue sauce for chicken strips. Some granola, another kind of granola from Trader Joe's. I had a couple of loose almond milk, so I threw those in. I also had this that I had tried for Levi, and then he didn't end up drinking for he didn't drink all of it. And we're going to use this for when we make the mac and cheese because it's not a vanilla flavored one like the almond milk, so that's why I threw that in there. Big bag of tortilla chips for munching on and for the taco night. 2 packs of the sandwich thins, big packs of sandwich thins from Costco, and those are for the burgers. And for sandwiches we can do peanut butter and jelly or cold cuts. And then some almond flour crackers. These are the Simple Mills almond flour crackers that we love. They haven't been selling the cheese ones at Costco recently, which is a bummer because those were the best. A couple bags of coconut strips from Trader Joe's because the kids requested that for snacks. This is like a low carb, just cheese crunchy. That's what it is, cheese crunchy. Got a huge bag of dried mangoes. So this bag over here that I'm going through is pretty much all snacks. I made a big thing of trail mix with cashews and raisins and M&M-like things. And then I got some Parmesan cheese whisks, another low-carb crunchy thing. A bag of sesame honey almonds that Renee loves. And then these were from Grocery Outlet. They're just they're kind of like Starburst, but they're organic. And they were only 99 cents a bag. So I grabbed a couple of those just for some special treats. We got several kinds of chips. I got 4 bags of the sweet plantain chips from Trader Joe's, and then from Grocery Outlet they had these kettle chips on sale. I got 2 big bags of the sea salt ones and then 2 of the salt and vinegar ones. That'll just be for munching on and for lunches. They also had these Cliff Bars at Grocery Outlet. I think it was $3.49 for a box of 6, which was a really good deal. So I grabbed 4 of those for easy snacks, like throw in our bag if we're going on a hike or something, or going for a walk on the beach. Now cereal, they had these at Grocery Outlet for $1.49 a piece, so I grabbed 3 of them. Peanut butter puffins, and then a big Costco 2-pack of Cheerios. I'm also bringing some 12 packs of seltzer water. I don't know how many we're going to bring total. It depends on how many will fit. These are some frozen steaks that I'm going to throw in for easy steak meals. I have my bags of frozen potatoes. I'll throw that one in, as well as the hash brown ones. I made some diced potatoes for soups, but I didn't end up getting all that put together for the trip, so those will just stay in the freezer for when we get back. These are my hot dog buns. I went ahead and froze them so they'd be like helping keep stuff cold on the trip, as well as last longer. I have a bunch of packs of tortillas because I always stock up on those when I go to Trader Joe's. I'll be bringing maybe 2 or 3 of these because the kids like to use them for peanut butter and honey tortillas, and then we'll also use some for the taco burrito night. I have a big bag of shredded cheddar cheese that I'll throw in for the taco burrito night. I'm also going to throw in a couple packs of chicken wings because I can cook those up in the air fryer really easily for my husband and me for lunch or dinner if we need to. I think that's it for this freezer out here. I have some more stuff in the freezer in the kitchen. Alright, here's our freezer in the kitchen. I'm going to take this big pack of beef patties, grass-fed beef patties from Costco. This is my big bag of chicken nuggets, as well as my big bag of chicken strips. I'm going to take those. I also picked up my favorite chocolate. This bacon will be for breakfast. And then this is the diced up beef for the tacos. That's it for the freezer stuff. Now for the refrigerator. I got a bunch of Greek yogurt cups for some easy meals and snacks. And then over here I have a couple of things of sliced cheese. I got the pepper jack hot habanero, and then also the Colby Jack Monterey Jack. And then a couple things of cottage cheese for easy breakfasts and snacks. A big thing of Greek yogurt that we'll use probably 2. If any of this doesn't fit, I'll just leave it home and it'll be fine when we get back. Sour cream and some salsa, 2 different salsas for our burrito taco night. I just picked up this lettuce today for a burrito taco night. I waited until the very last minute to grab that. These are a yummy new drink from GT's brand, and it's kefir, water kefir, and the pink grapefruit is the best flavor. I picked up 4 of these. So far we've only been able to find this flavor at Trader Joe's. So I got 4 of those for my husband and me for special drinks. I'm gonna be taking some cream for my coffee, of course. I'm gonna be taking some butter for making the mac and cheese, and just because you always need butter. For veggies, I'm gonna take this 3-pack of cucumbers. Everybody loves munching on raw veggies. I'm gonna take this bag of broccoli. I wasn't intending to. I was gonna use it before we left, but then I didn't. And so I have it here needing to be used, so I'll just bring it along so it doesn't go to waste. I have a 6-pack of bell peppers that I'll also bring for eating fresh. And I'm gonna bring these 2 packs of hot dogs, one of the little mini sausages and one of the big ones, and I have the hot dog buns to go with those, so that'll make an easy meal, either lunch or dinner if needed. I think that is it for the fridge stuff. Oh, I am gonna take some jams. This is some of the peach preserves that I made in my Instant Pot a while back, and this is just some strawberry jam. I'll bring that, and it'll be with the yogurts or with peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I'm also going to bring a thing of peanut butter. I forgot to pull that out. I should probably do that. Then of course I am bringing my coffee. I have coffee grounds in here, and this was like a salad container, and it worked out well to put my little filters here, and then I have my coffee grounds underneath, and I even have my scoop in there, so it works out great. And then I use my AeroPress, which is great for taking places. It's very portable, and I'm the only one that drinks coffee, so I only need to make 1 cup at a time. I'm gonna be taking my air fryer and my Instant Pot with me just to make life easy on vacation. It seems kind of silly to take 2 giant things like that, but it really will make my life easier while I'm there, so I'm gonna do it. And my husband is pulling a big trailer where we have plenty of room, so if room was an issue, I would reconsider, but since room is not an issue, we're just gonna go with it. Gotta get this peanut butter in here. Some of the kids like the natural, or like the unsweetened, and then some of them really love the Skippies that's natural but still has a little bit of sweetener in it. And we have some of both, so I'm throwing both of those in, and I think that is all the food. So this video is kind of serving as a check for me of all the things that I have, anything that I forgot, like the peanut butter. I remembered I need to grab some cookie sheets. That'll make life easier doing like chicken strips and stuff, although we can do the chicken strips in the air fryer as well. So I think that's it. Hopefully I'll be able to get some video of our meals while we're there. I'm going to try to do some like day in the life type stuff and all that good stuff, so you can look forward to that. And I will talk to you again real soon. Hey Renee, where are we going tomorrow?
The beach.
Are you not very excited?
I'm excited.
You are! You have been talking about the beach ever since we got home from the beach last year. You have been so excited.
Yeah, because the beach has so much fun stuff
That's true.
to do.
That's true.